Is your Oral-B electric toothbrush display not working? You're experiencing one of the most common issues with modern electric toothbrushes. Let's identify the problem and fix it. There are four main types of display malfunctions you might encounter. Complete blackouts affect 40% of cases, partial display issues 25%, flickering displays 20%, and frozen screens 15%. These problems typically stem from 5 root causes. Water damage is the most common, despite waterproof ratings. Battery degradation, firmware corruption, physical damage, and temperature extremes also contribute to display failures. Now let's fix the problem. Start with a hard reset by holding the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. Then place your toothbrush on the charger for at least 30 minutes before attempting to turn it on. For IO series toothbrushes, use a different reset method. Hold both the power button and mode button simultaneously for 10 seconds while the brush is on the charger. Next, clean the charging contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Use the cleaning wipes or a cotton swab with alcohol to remove any buildup on both the toothbrush and charging base contacts. If your display shows partial functionality, connect to the Oral-B app and attempt a firmware update or factory reset. This can resolve software-related display issues. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve 60 to 70% of display issues. If your display is still not working after trying these solutions, you may need advanced repair techniques or professional service. When basic troubleshooting fails to fix your Oral-B display, advanced solutions may be necessary. These methods require more technical skill, but can often restore functionality. The first advanced method involves carefully disassembling the toothbrush handle. This process will void your warranty, so only attempt this if your device is already out of warranty coverage. Internal moisture is a common cause of display failure. Place the disassembled components with desiccant packets for 48 to 72 hours to remove trapped moisture. These silica gel packets will absorb humidity from the internal components. Additionally, check and reseat the display cable connections inside the handle. Clean the contacts with electronic cleaner and ensure the connection is firm before reassembly. Prevention is the best approach to avoid display problems. Follow these key strategies to protect your toothbrush display from common failure causes. Always dry the handle thoroughly after use, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, handle it gently to prevent drops, and clean the charging contacts weekly with a dry cloth. Additionally, keep your toothbrush firmware updated through the Oral-B mobile app. Regular updates can prevent software-related display issues. Display failures are a known issue with Oral-B electric toothbrushes, affecting 8.3% of devices within the first 2 years of use. If advanced troubleshooting doesn't resolve your display problem, consider professional repair services or contact Oral-B customer service to explore warranty options. Professional repair typically costs between $45 and $85, compared to $120 to $200 for a complete replacement. Remember that prevention through proper care and maintenance remains the most effective approach to avoiding display problems entirely.